Hi guys, this is Alex from Mason Design Build. Today, instead of a sew along, we're going to be looking at some patterns that I recently got. Joann's local fabric store had a sale on Simplicity and some other patterns throughout the last couple of weeks. So I said, hey, why not $1 or deep discount sale? I'm on it. So let's go and look ahead in some of the patterns that I'm looking to do. And also, if you have any ideas for sew alongs that you want me to do in the next couple of weeks, please just leave them below in the comments and I will tackle those. But I will show you a few of what I am thinking about what I'm going to be doing pretty soon. So one of the patterns that I got was 83, 84. It is actually a really nice dress from Simplicity. It is probably going to do this in like a linen fabric, kind of like linen fabric, something a little bit more flowy, definitely kind of like a shorter version, just because I want something that's easy to just kind of put on. It's breathable, especially since it's going to start getting a little bit warmer in the next couple of months. So I definitely want something quick, easy, something that I can just wear with a nice pair of flats or maybe a nice pair of kids and just kind of go and get errands done or just be around the house. So definitely great pattern, 83, 84. And then I also got this pattern. This is S9232. I actually got this pattern. I don't know if you guys look at a lot of Instagram, but I love the Instagram for Alexander McQueen. And they actually have a couple of dresses or a couple of shirts with kind of like that detail on the sleeves. So I went ahead and got this pattern. I'm probably going to do a sew along on this pattern on probably in view A because it has the opening on the sleeve. So I'm definitely going to do that. That's next. So S9232, love this pattern. And then this, I actually saw a lady on Instagram also with this pattern. She actually made it in like a poly rayon. So I definitely saw it and I'm like, wow, I really love this pattern. And I'm thinking of probably doing view C. So let me show you view C. It's all sleeveless. And then it's got kind of like a V-neck, especially if you have a larger bust. Love those V-necks. It's kind of hard to find a lot of things with V-necks. I don't know why. At times I have to do a lot of modifications to just make a nice V-neck look. So definitely this one is. So this is S9041 and I can make it in cotton, linen, chambray, which I absolutely love chambray, shirting, or a couple of silky types. So looking forward to doing this one. And I'm probably going to do this in blue. You'll see that I sew a lot of things in blue. I love the color blue. Blue prints, blue solids, light blue, dark blue, royal blue, navy blue, anything blue, my word, I love it. And then of course, how can I pass this up? Mimi G, I mean, the queen of DIY. This is a great little pattern and I actually got some amazing fabric from Joann's. It's called Azalea Crinkle Rayon. Love it. I took the last 4 yards that they had. It's absolutely beautiful, bright. It's almost like a hot pink / coral kind of color. Beautiful, also on sale. So this is pattern S9224. Great pattern. She also has a sew along, can't beat that. So, and then she also posted some new patterns on her Instagram. I've been looking for them and as of today, they're still not out at the stores, but definitely keeping my eye out for one of them for a dress. It's beautiful. She had it in like an orange fabric. So definitely that's one that I'm going to get. 9017. What can I say? I still like my lounge clothes around the house. A little bit of, you know, kind of leggings. I love that detail on the neckline. Just perfect to be around the house. Probably make it in black so I can clean around too. Maybe do a little gardening. And probably maybe blue. Love this pattern. I think it's really cute and perfect for the times. So S9017. And of course they're all knits. So can't pass up on a nice knit garment. So S9017. And then I'm going to venture also into doing a couple of jumpsuits. So this is S8907, but I know that I also want to make a pattern that just came out from McCall's in their early spring line. I believe it's called Bowery McCall's, and I'm actually going to be doing a sew along for that too. It's got, it is a jumpsuit like this one, but it's not gathered like this or has a belt. It's more kind of like a longer jumpsuit, or you can also make it into a romper, but it has like a really cute gathering detail by the shoulders, so I'm all for that. But I also got this pattern. This is 8907. You can make it into like a dress, or you can make it into a jumpsuit, so I'm probably going to make this into a jumpsuit. I thought that was really cute, so I definitely got this one. And then I also got a couple of Butterick patterns. They have changed quite a bit. I just saw their early spring and nothing was jumping out at me, but I do have to say that Butterick has some great older patterns out there. And I got this one. This is 6674. I really thought that this looked beautiful. I love that dress with the buttons in front and then the pockets. I thought that was beautiful and perfect for right now, so I definitely got this pattern. It also comes with a pattern for this bag. I don't think I'll be making myself a pattern for a bag, but I definitely loved View A, and I'll definitely be making that pretty soon. I'm actually working on this pattern right now. It's 6677 from Butterick, and I'm making View A. It's really cute. I've actually seen it on a couple of people. I love it. So I definitely thought, hey, oldie but goodie, let's make it. So I went ahead and bought this pattern, and making View A. It's gonna be really cute, light blue. And then I also got some Vogue patterns, and this is another older one. I don't even know if they have this in the stores anymore. I actually got lucky, but I found it was kind of even ripped. I had to put a little tape on it. It's 8724. It is actually a knit pattern, but I loved how cute and simple this is. And I can make it a knit, a great dress to just for the summer. Probably can make it in print, can make it into a solid. So plus it's easy, can't beat this one. So definitely, if you can find some of these patterns with the line drawings and the sketches in front, jump on those. They're awesome. Then I saw quite a few people, and this is a pattern. Saw quite a few people with this pattern. This pattern was reissued in this new envelope, but it's a short dress. I saw quite a bit of people make this pattern. It is Vogue 1747. Beautiful pattern. Beautiful, kind of like just buttons down the middle. You can make it in a little bit more gathered towards your body, or you can make it a little bit more loose and put gathers on the back. It does have a belt, and it's great for all body types, so I definitely got this pattern. And I still have to find fabric for this, but this is gonna be soon to be done. And of course, I can't pass up on some knits. And I thought this was really cute with kind of like the off shoulder on it. So I went ahead and got it. It's Vogue 1674. It's really cute. You can make it a knit, another easy pattern. You can dress it up, dress it down. So definitely got that. So that's it for me, guys. Those are all the patterns that I got this time around. Definitely wait for those sales. These patterns, when you buy them full price, they're quite pricey. But when you get them on sale, you can't beat that price. I'm going to link all of these patterns below, and then I'm going to write also a blog post talking a little bit more about these patterns. And last but not least, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you have any patterns that you would like me to do a sew along, please leave it below. I would love to hear your comments and what you have to say. So this is Alexandra from Mason Design Build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.